you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you a very easy and delicious spicy pumpkin seed recipe. Now, I already made pumpkin seeds for you, a very typical recipe last year. I got gooey, I got in the pumpkin, but this year I'm going to do a real quick recipe for you. It's spicy, it has a little bit of like a smoky almost flavor to it. It's awesome and very easy. So you're starting with your pumpkin seeds in a bowl, and we're going to toss in some other ingredients. So we're going to do a little bit of olive oil just over top and give it a nice stir. Perfect. After that, we have two other liquid ingredients that we are putting into these seeds. We have some Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, however you say it. I have come to learn that everyone says it differently. There we go. And then you're going to put in one of your favorite hot sauces. You can't go wrong. I'm using Cholula. You can use Sriracha, Tabasco, something that you picked up at a farmer's market. Really, any hot sauce here will do. Use your fave, experiment. Now, if you're like me and my husband and like that heat, you're going to add a little bit of extra hot sauce. But if you're those people out there that only like a little bit of a kick, then obviously don't pour with a heavy hand. Once our liquids are in, I usually like to kind of give them a mix before we do our other ingredients. That's perfect. And then it's time for our spices. So what is pumpkin seeds without some salt and pepper? So I'm not a huge salt fan. I only put a little bit, but salt to your liking. And then same with pepper. I am a pepper fan. I don't know, I'm the odd one out. Less salt, more pepper. Last step, we have a little bit of a spice medley that we're going to mix in here with our seeds. We have some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, paprika, and an ancho chili pepper powder. Gonna be bomb. If you don't have the ancho chili pepper powder, regular chili pepper powder will work fine, but I got an ancho one and it gives it a nice smoky flavor. So then you're gonna just mix in your seeds, and it's time to get them laid out on a tray. You're gonna preheat your oven at this time to 250 degrees because these have to slow cook for about 50 minutes, and then we gotta get on our tray. So just dump those bad boys on a tray in a single layer and pop them in your 250 degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. These are going to be a delicious snack when they're done. And after that time, they look like this. They smell fantastic. Your whole house is going to smell good. And I promise you, they're going to be a delicious, crunchy, smoky, salty snack for you with that Halloween fun flavor of your pumpkin seed. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. Happy Halloween, guys. I love you all. Let's get spooky, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.